Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the coconut jelly with pandan jelly. We're gonna add the coconut water, or if you don't have, you just use the water. Then sprinkle on agar powder and stir to mix. So the agar need to bloom before we can begin making the coconut jelly dessert. We need to let that sit for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna put in the saucepan on medium heat and continue to stir until it's boiled. Bring to a boil, stirring frequency. Once it's come to a full boil, the agar powder should be completely dissolved. Then we're gonna add the sugar, salt, and stir again until it's boiled. One more time. Today we're gonna make two layers. The first layer is coconut milk. The second layer is the pandan layer. Sugar is dissolved, add the coconut milk into it and continue to stir until it's boiled again. For this step, just use for coconut layer. But if you use only pandan layer, it just finish when the liquid is boiling. So let's start with the pandan layer. Is no coconut milk, and then we're gonna put half of the mold, and then waiting a bit to make it a bit settle, and then continue to add the coconut layer. As I told you, the two layer is do the same, just different only when we use the clear color or pandan layer. Just skip to put the coconut milk. But for the coconut layer, we just put coconut milk later and then put on top. After we finish two layers of the agar, it's just waiting to make it settle, and then we move to the refrigerator to make it more delicious and keep it a bit longer times. And now it's finished. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. It's so easy and delicious. I hope you guys give this try. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.